Okay, welcome back. Let's play clap and count. Here's the word dog. Dog. How many beats is that? Dog. How many beats is that? Did you clap it? Dog. Dog. Yep, it's one. Dog. Dog. Just one. Dog. Dog. Okay, let's go to the next one. Apple. 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 How many syllables? Apple. Apple. Can you count it? How many syllables? Apple. Apple. How many beats? Apple. 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 Did you say two? It's two. Apple. Apple. Let's go to the next one. Here we go. The word is banana. Banana. How many beats is that? Banana. 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 How many beats? 3. There we go. Banana. 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 Very good. Let's go to the next one. The word is umbrella. 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 Clap it. How many beats? Umbrella. 3. There it is. Umbrella. 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 Very good. Let's go to the next one. Sun. Sun. How many beats is that? Clap. Sun. Sun. Did you say one? What's one? Yeah, one. Sun. Just one. Sun. Has a vowel right in the middle. Sun. Sun. Excellent. How about this one? Water. 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 How many beats is that? Water. 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 How many beats? That's right. 2. Water. 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 Excellent. How about this one? Hospital. Hospital. How many beats is that? Hospital. 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 How many beats? Yep. Hospital. 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 Very good. 3 beats. Let's try another one. Watermelon. 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 Clap it. Watermelon. Watermelon. How many beats? Watermelon. 4. Watermelon. Watermelon. Say it with me. Watermelon. 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 Yeah, watermelon. Love watermelon. Watermelon's good. Okay, we did it. Watermelon, 4 beats. You got it. Okay, well, let's try another one. I'll see you in a few minutes. Bye.